Hakabayade ba ka jing shah kawang petrol bomb ki katto katne tylli ki jaka ki hapoh ka nongbah Shillong Khamtam ki office jong ki Shnat Sorkar bapher nakaliang Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills District SC Sadhu haba kren ki ladphathai khubor mynta ka sngi tarik jemang ulaong pa nakaliang kibor district kila dep banya kren bat USP ban pen klanno ikibor pahara Khamtam hakipor menmiet Udisi ulabatharu Sha Baroh ki Shnat treikam Sorkar bakin bo bhai ki Tiar Khamtam ki kali Sorkar Haki Jaka balong Shngaiñ.
The alleged illegal settlement in this Shillong cantonment board area. And in fact, in this area falls under Defence Estate Officer Guwahati. So their representative also came to today's meeting and they have shared the entire history and what action has been initiated by them and what are the subsequent court proceedings. And in fact, we told them that we would write a letter to them to share all this background history and their action which has been taken up by them so far, so that they said that they assured us that in a day they will share this information. We will also study and that will help us to decide our course of action. But what transpired in this meeting is that, so initially there was a title suit for this land. It was given in favor of Defence Estate Office, so that is very clear. After this, when they issued eviction notice for this people who are there, specifying the boundary, so they went to court has given stay order that eviction has to be followed as per the law, due procedure of law. So that basing on this, as per the latest in the month of December, they have fixed the date of 27th of May as the date for hearing, where the court asked the Defence Estate Office, that is to respond to the queries that is notice. So after this, we are expecting, basing on the discussion that we have discussed, a favorable decision in favor of this Defence Estate Officer, and there we will decide the course of action. But at the same time, what we discussed with them is that as this place we are getting reports and complaints that this place is being used by different players for various illegal activities. So that's we are initiating with SP of East Khasi Hills for a detailed report on law and order in this area, so that we will take action as per this procedure also with respect to violation of any of this. We have taken for this government properties and particularly for government vehicles. We have informed all line department to keep their vehicles and the property in a secured way, particularly not to keep in open areas, particularly vehicles. And all these government properties from last night onwards, all these government properties, particularly police stations, where we have strengthened the security arrangements there. So we are hopeful that in the next 1 or 2 days we can stabilize things, particularly with regard to discussed in last night only with SP. So we are in fact strengthening the entire security arrangement during night time, and SP has prepared a contingent plan on this. So by today evening we are discussing with SP and we are discussing on what action we have to initiate, and in terms of identifying the culprits who are perpetuating this kind of attacks. And we will update again this evening. Committee of our office, Defence Estate Office, and from police and municipal board, and we are sending a team. So in addition to this law and order report that we are getting from the police, so as soon as we go for field inspection and verification, we will take immediate action to ensure that these activities should be stopped.
When are you going for field inspection?
This week itself. This week.